see the storm's coming. So I don't know if you guys guessed it or not, but I am back at the local dealership. And yeah, it's going down. We're getting the Pylon put on because vacation's in about a week and a half. So, you know, perfect timing. Oh, she's still here. So tempting. How's it going, guys? Good. I got an appointment for tomorrow to have my ski pylon put on. All right, so I dropped her off. Next time you see, we'll be on the lake pulling the wakeboard with the jet ski. SK Lifestyle. Subscribe down below. You already know. SK Lifestyle.
I want to get all this water out. Because on wake boats, the rope's not that long, is it? The rope's like every person that I've seen that's on a wake boat, it's not that long. Like sometimes they're even right up against the boat. Try one more time with you driving because you're a better driver and so you can probably get it up. You know what I mean?
But that time I did almost have it. All right, so where do we land on this, or where do I land on this? Pretty much, I think it was a good investment overall, but there is some drawbacks. Now, clearly, just pulling out a ski rope and trying to use it does not work. I did shorten it up to about 15 feet and I still had issues. Now I did manage to pull it out of the water for a second, and I will say some of it may be attributed to the driver. Now Aiden's a good guy, he's able to ride the ski, but it takes a lot of work and effort to be able to understand how you need to manipulate the ski and also, you know, do it in a way that is going to help for a wakeboarder. So that's why I do have the ski module. No, I did not get it installed in time. I ordered this after I had the ski pylon put in. And once I read through the directions and stuff, it's not too hard. I do think I need to solder something real quick, just a connection piece. I may just have the dealer do it just to be satisfied. I mean, I spent the money to have this installed. I might as well have that installed correctly as well and not have to worry about it. It's different if I have a little toy or something I bought for a couple $100, but this thing, I just don't want to have any issues with it. So I think between a very short rope, maybe between like 10, 12 feet, I'd say maybe 8 to 12 feet. Because I'm also only going to be wakeboarding at, I don't know, 15, 20 miles an hour at the max. You know what I mean? At least especially to start. So the jet's not going to be too harsh. You know, I can take that from about 8 feet away. And as soon as I'm up over water, it's not going to be a problem at all. I'm just going to be riding over the wake. So there is potential for it. The one other drawback I will say was I did install a J-hook. Now check that video up above on me installing it on the ski. But of course, once I had this put on, it's no longer there. The drawback with it is, what I noticed is as soon as I start to go docking, I had nowhere to easily go dock. Now, yes, I could use this plastic thing, but I have to wrap the rope around it and latch it off versus just having a latch down there you could just clip something to. So it's something I immediately was like, wow, okay, I didn't realize I was going to be missing that. But, you know, they did a good job installing it. I'll show you what it looks on the inside. Just in case you're curious of what kind of, you know, just what it looks like, I guess, period. You know, if you're going to attempt to do it yourself or if you plan on having them do it. But overall, you know, it's pretty cool. It is pretty sturdy. You can see it shaking the whole jet ski. And, I mean, it goes up and down pretty easy. And it is nice to have this little loop, which is easy for tow sports. You know, if you're just tubing or something, just clip it right on, no problem. So, you know, there's some pluses and some minuses. I hope you can use my experience to help you out if you're planning on installing it yourself or thinking about getting one and so forth. And again, next season, I'll be more prepared. I'll have the ski module in. I'm definitely ready to go wakeboarding. And we're going to give it a very good shot. And I think it's going to work out for us. So be sure to subscribe to SK Lifestyle. Check me out on Instagram. I am on Instagram now. s.k_lifestyle. That said, I appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you next time.